Hi everyone, this is Paul Lang from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Play of the Week video. This is for the week ending March 11, 2018. The play this week was UAL. It happened on Friday, the 9th, right toward the end of the week there. The strategy was an hourly DTS buy setup. Entry was advanced because it actually crossed into the next day, so a little tricky in the entry the next morning. Management was simple, reward to risk about 1.7 to 1. This was not the biggest money-making trade. I tell you that I don't use that for the criteria. The biggest one this week actually was ANF, Alpha November Foxtrot, on Wednesday. But that was a very similar strategy to last week's Play of the Week video, TJX. As a matter of fact, it was practically a carbon copy. So I wanted to get an interesting strategy, and this was one of my favorite. One of the reasons was because I got together with the DTS graduates in the trading room the night before. We did a little scanning as an educational thing, and one of the favorite patterns we found was this pattern on UAL. The night before, this was the bar from the day before, the daily bar right in here, and you can see it was just breaking across a little resistance area that had formed in here. And the hourly chart is very impressive. It broke across with this wide range bar up, and then a pullback and a nice little buy setup that formed and rallied into the close that day. So I had it on the watch list hoping that we would catch an entry that next morning, and sure enough, we ended up getting a really, really nice entry. So coming off that daily chart, that's the prior day, and this day it gapped up a little bit. Hourly chart right in here. And the next morning then, here is the 5-minute chart that says 2. It's actually a 5-minute chart if you look at it. And we gapped up to there and then waited, and right at 10 o'clock reversal time, there's a beautiful little 5-minute DTS buy setup that formed. Entry 70.02, stop 69.69. Quick first target into 70.58, and then trailed a quick second target. I was hoping to go higher initially. I didn't want to wait for the pullback on this one because I was going to be done trading at noon Friday. I like to get done trading at noon most every day, but this Friday I had to go. So I was looking to lock profits a little quicker here. You can see if you did hang, I trailed target 3 there at 70.58, but if you did hang for that pullback right at noon, the rally after that actually delivered 4 point something reward to risk on what should have been the back half or back third of that. But either way, still a nice little trade, and all of that profit happening within 1 hour. This, of course, all happens in the DTS trading room, where the trades that we do in there are on stocks that you can follow along with. They're all discussed ahead of time. Basically all lots of notice and liquid stocks with very few exceptions. So you can follow along, make money while you learn. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.